Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are all well. Welcome to my this channel. My topic today about introduction to chemistry. So now I am start my video. The knowledge that provides understanding of this world and how it works is science. The branch of science we deal with the composition, structure, and properties and reaction of matter is called chemistry. It is with every aspect of our life. Branches of chemistry. It is a fact that we live in the world of chemicals. We all depend upon different living organisms. We require water, oxygen, or carbon dioxide for their survival. Today, chemistry has a wide scope in all aspects of life and in severing the humanity day and night. Chemistry is dividing into following many branches: physics chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry, and analytical chemistry. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is defined as the branch of chemistry that is with the relationship between the composition and physical properties of matter along with the changes in them. The properties such as structure of atoms or information of molecules, behavior of gases, liquids, and solids, and the effect of temperature or radiation of matter are studied under this branch. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of covalent compounds of carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. Organic compounds occur naturally and are also synthesized in the laboratories. Organic chemistry determines the structure and properties of these naturally occurring as well as synthesis compounds. Scope of this branch covers petroleum, petrochemicals, and parachemicals, cuticle industries. In inorganic chemistry, inorganic chemistry deals with the study of all elements and their compounds, except those of compounds of carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. It has applications in every aspect of the chemicals industry, such as glass, cement, ceramics, and metallurgy. Biochemistry. It is a branch of chemistry in which we study the structure, composition, and chemical reactions of substances found in living organisms. It occurs all chemical processes take place in living organisms and facts. Biochemistry emerged as a separate discipline when scientists began to study how living things obtain energy from food or how the fundamental biological changes occur during a disease. Examples of applications of biochemistry are in the fields of medicine, food science, and agriculture, etc. Industrial chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the manufacturing of chemical compounds on commercial scale is called industrial chemistry. It deals with the manufacturing of basic animals chemicals such as oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, caustic soda, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. These chemicals provide the raw material for many other industries such as fertilizer, soap, textiles, agriculture products, paints, paper, etc. Nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the radioactivity, nuclear processes, and properties. The main concern of this branch is with the atomic energy and its uses in daily life. It also includes the study of the chemical effects resulting from the absorption of radiation with animals, plants, and other materials. It has vast applications in medical treatment, prevention of food, and generation of electrical power through nuclear reactors, etc. Environmental chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry in which we study about components of environment and the effects of human activities on the environment. Environmental chemistry is related to other branches like biology, geology, ecology, soil and water. The knowledge of chemical processes take place in environment is necessary for its improvement and protection against pollution. Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that is with the separation and analysis of a sample to identify its components. Basic definitions. Matter is simple defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. One over bodies as well as all the things around as us are example of matter. Elements. elements in the early uh, ages, only 9 elements: carbon, gold, silver, tin, mercury, lead, copper, iron, and sulfur were known at that time. It was considered that elements were the substances that could not be broken down into simpler units by ordinary chemical processes until the end of 19th century. 63 elements had been discovered. No 118 elements have been discovered out of out of which 92 are naturally occurring elements. Modern definition of element is that is a substance made up of same type of atoms having same atomic number and cannot be decomposed with into simple substances by ordinary chemical means. It means that each element is made up of unique type of atom that have very specific properties. The elements are represented by symbols which are abbreviations for the name of elements. A symbol is taken for the name of that element is English, Latin, Greek or German. If it is one letter, it will be capital as H for hydrogen and nitrogen and C for carbon. Mixture: when two or more element or compounds mix up physically without any fixed ratio, they form a mixture. Relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. As we know that the mass of an atom is too small to be determined practically. However, certain instruments enable us to determine the ratio of the atomic mass of various elements to that of carbon 12 atoms. This ratio is known as the relative atomic mass of the element. The relative atomic mass of the element is the average mass of an element of that element as compared to 1 over 12. The mass of an atom is carbon 12 isotope, an element having different mass number but same atomic number. Based on carbon 12 standard, the mass of an atom of carbon is 12 and 1 over 12th of it comes to be 1. When we compare atomic mass of their atomic masses of other elements with carbon 12 atoms, they are expressed as relative atomic masses of the other elements with carbon 12 atoms. The unit of the relative atomic mass is called atomic mass unit with symbol AMU. One atomic mass unit is 1 over 12, the mass of one atom of carbon 12. When this atomic mass unit is expressed in grams, it is 1 AMU is equal 1.66 multiplied 10 minus 24 gram. Molecular formula. Molecules are formed by the combination of atoms. These molecules are represented by molecular formula that show actual number of atoms of each element present in a molecule of that compound. Molecular formula is derived from empirical formula by the following relationship. Molecular formula is equal empirical formula where n is 1, 2, 3 and so on. For example, molecular formula of benzene is C6H6 which is derived for the empirical formula CH where the value of n is 6. The molecular formula of a compound may be same or a multiple of an empirical formula. A few compounds having different empirical and molecular formula are shown. Some compounds may have same empirical and molecular formula, e.g. water H2O, hydrochloric acid HCl, etc. The sum of atomic mass of all the atoms present in the molecule of a molecular substance is its molecular mass. So friends, how is my this video. I hope you take good knowledge. So now I am go to my next topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.